Alright, big dog. I was just jamming to some music. Um, Let me pull up my trading view or my top step right now. Um, the green lines that you see on here are previous session highs and lows. Um, but like all of them are like really lows for real. There's not really like highs except for on Nasdaq. There's one, two highs. Um, YM. All right, so we're looking for the break, a pullback, and continuation. Now, if we end up breaking super hard, I have to see a pullback regardless. And we wait the full 5 minutes, and we take the trade on the other index because I'm not, or on the other futures pair because I'm not risking getting faked out. I'm not doing it, bro. Like, okay, we might get faked out, but like, you get what I'm saying, bro. All right, so we're already breaking out. If we do manage to break out beforehand, I mean, there's so much liquidity. Oh no, this is a good breakout spot. I forgot. My trend line is there. Yeah, man. I'm really like. I mean, it's only Wednesday, but I'm up on the week, so I'm not really tripping. I just know when this market opens in 30 seconds, it's finna. I have it like there's no news today, but it's gonna open up and spike. So I don't want to make any irrational decisions today. I'd rather sit on my hands and wait for a decent entry. You see, it's already trying, bro. Alright, you see what I'm talking about, bro? Okay, Nasdaq is looking like it's pushing for a sale. Dow Jones is nowhere near my zone. Yep, I like it. We're having the pullback on both. All right. If we push, I'm in NASDAQ. See, and this is why you wait. Now I want to see price on YM shoot up. I feel more confident in myself on NASDAQ. All right, one more push and we're in.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right. We're good on the day. I mean, it wasn't a bad trade. Bruh. I'm not in the mood. Bruh. And I just know. Alright. We're going to watch this play out, bro. Alright, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Are we serious? Like, I swear to God, bro. I'm not even that mad for real because I know I have my lockout set, but it's annoying. It's like it came all the way up here within a minute of the market having its first 5 minute candle. I hope it stops. I hope it comes all the way up here because if it doesn't, that's annoying. Good, no, do not flip and go down. Oh, you know what? I didn't think about that. It has been doing. Oh, man. At least go stop me out, bruh. Dang. US 30 is breaking. All right, at least we got stopped out. All right, so what I'm thinking is gonna happen is it retested this zone, and now it's gonna fall, which is really annoying because I mean I had it marked up on my chart over here, but like my stop loss is right on that zone, so it's like I didn't give it any room to work. Oh my god, bro. Here we go. Let's see where it's gonna go to, bruh, before us having a crazy pullback. Now, I'm glad it quote unquote stopped us out because that means it wasn't faking. But like, bro, it's and the thing is about it is this is not Mamba FX. Let me hold through my stops and hope it goes down. Like I'm not doing that. But if it doesn't end up, if it doesn't play out to a one to at least a 1 to 2, that's cool. But how unfortunate, you feel me? We're having a push out on US 30 at the moment. I'll show y'all. We're having a breakout on there. Nas. Oh, let me go to mini NQ. Target 1. Alright, I'm gonna know that for tomorrow. We was on a little streak too. Or not necessarily even a streak. But I'm gonna know this for tomorrow for sure. You so far when you die. Put a tingle in your spine. Alright, US 30 kind of rejected that breakout zone and is continuing to like mess around. As goes for NASDAQ, bro. You can't win all of them, bro. Alright, US 30's breaking out as well. Yeah, man. So, if we would have waited, I wonder, because this is going to take super long, but I wonder how this would have played out. Out on the dance floor. want you still. Alright, I want to, why this is doing its thing, I want to go to yesterday. And I want to see how it reacted yesterday. 8:25, 8:30. Yeah, so see, it didn't do this yesterday. It didn't. US 30 is kind of pushing, but they're both kind of stuck. You feel me? But we'll see, bruh. But more times than not, we're gonna win. So I'm not really tripping. I want to go play golf, bruh. But I'm finna go play golf tonight. But like I'm talking earlier in the day. Oh snap! US 30 just look at this. Look at this, bruh. And a white. All right. So NASDAQ tried to retest that zone again and ended up failing. I'm pretty sure this is gonna go smack. Let me see. Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's gonna go smack a 1 to 5. I'm not gonna lie to you today. Just because there's so much rest and liquidity on the bottom. Man. Yeah, but this isn't ridiculous, but if a 70-point stop is ridiculous. Yeah, that's ridiculous. Alright, I'm gonna get off the charts. Let's go journal our trade. Hold on. Let's go put this in the dang group. Alright. US 30 is still pushing as well. NASDAQ is kind of in a standstill. This is why I like trading US 30, bro. But it was playing too much. What is he doing? Whatever. Alright. Let's go put it in the Discord, guys. Let me see where US 30 is pushing out of. Alright, what I will say, bro, I hate bro. NASDAQ is so bonds. NASDAQ don't know where it wants to go. Alright, trade recap. This was what, yesterday? This wasn't yesterday? Alright. What I want to do is post my trade from yesterday. Oh, retesting twice is crazy. I'm pretty sure we won yesterday. Yeah. So I'm gonna take this short. I think I got only like a 1-to-1. Or maybe a 1-to-2. Nah, we did get a 1-to-1. So this was yesterday. Alright, let's see. So Monday. Or we didn't trade on Monday. This is Tuesday. And then today is Wednesday. Alright, well, US 30 is pushing it back down. NASDAQ is almost at a target too. Like I said, it probably is going to want to run the lows. And the reason I love the first 15, like the first 15 minutes is normally so one-sided. And then after the first 15 is either a reversal or a continuation to then go down. So let's see, we would have got stopped out twice, I believe. But I did wait for a good entry, so I can't be mad at it. Yeah, I can't be mad, bro. It's just how life goes. I'm going to have losing weeks. I'm going to have winning weeks. I'm going to have losing trades. And I'm going to have winning trades. Now, as it goes for these trades, you know, I'm finna get off the charts in a little bit. Make some calls. And I'm finna start my YouTube stuff, so I'm not really tripping. Golly, Price don't even know what he want to do, dog. But I don't even want to, what's it called? I don't ever want to, like, I don't know. I don't want to do 2 trades, because if I do 2 trades, I know in my mind I'm going to look for a dumb entry. Or not necessarily a dumb entry, but look for something a little bit dumber. Like, not as clean. Because this was clean. Like, it would have got stopped. It got stopped out on this candle. And it was only 1 minute left. Or 2. But you got stopped out on this candle. Then we got stopped out on this candle. So, I just got to know. I just got to remember, bro. It's not that deep. One win will put us back up to 1200. So I can't even be mad at it. You feel me? And then once I get my balance to 3,000 or 2,000, 2,800, I'll say, then I'll start risking a little heavier and going 400 each trade. And then as goes for every other account. I mean, simple. Alright, man. Well, guess what? Today's a good trading day regardless. Why? Because I followed my rules. Now, yeah, we might not have won today, but you can't be mad at it when you're losing small, winning big. Like I can go lose tomorrow and then win on Friday and me be right back at where I was at. Oh, yeah. That's what's up. I can lose tomorrow and Friday. And I'd be or tomorrow and then win on Friday and I'd be straight. So today was a good day. And I'm not even mad for it. Like, yeah, it's irritating. But I can't force the market to do something. And we've only pushed to a target like 1.19. So I would have only got, or I think we pushed to like a target 2. Almost. It was almost a target. Yeah. So we didn't even push all the way to a target 2. So I can't even be mad. But then there's going to be days where it just pushes. I think tomorrow. Let's go look at the markets tomorrow. How they going to be. The draws of liquidity, I can see it wanting to go to the downside. But I'm not even mad. Hey, you feel me? All right. So let's look at tomorrow, and then we're going. Tomorrow, bro. There's no news tomorrow or Friday. What the heck? Was today just like a no news week, my nigga? Tuesday was no news. Wednesday, no news. Thursday, no news. Friday, no news. No news. Okay. So tomorrow it's gonna clear up on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, I'm not gonna if the volume is pushing our way to, it looks like Thursday and Friday. If we trade Friday, I don't know. We'll see how up we are on the week next week. What is that? Okay, so Monday, Tuesday, good trading day. Wednesday, doesn't really look like a good trading day on Wednesday. Thursday, good. Friday, decent. All right, doggies. I will see you tomorrow. For sure.